Good evening, students. Hope you all are good. Now it's reading time. I have Sound English book. Now open your book. Today we start three-letter words. It's page number 14. What is the statement here? Sound with a. It's a. What's this? A. Sounds with a. B is first sound and a is second sound, and all different sounds made different letters in different words. Now we start this one. K a, k a, k a, ka. K is a first letter and a is a second letter. K a, ka. Now we join one letter here, one sound here, and make a new word. K a b, cab, cab. K a b, cab. K a b, cab. K a d, cad. K a d, cad. K a d, cad. K a n, can, can. K a n, can. K a n, can. N, can, can. K a b, k a b, cap, cap, cap. It's a cap. K a t, k a t, k a t, cat, cat. Once again, k a, ca, k a b, cab, k a d, cad, k a n, can, k a b, cap, k a t, cat. Now start reading and do learning. Allah Hafiz.